You pretty thing, me buy you wedding ring. Let me hear that choir sing. Oh, yeah, you got it. So this is something, it's sometimes we can follow chord changes, sometimes. Hey y'all, this is David Cahalan coming to you from the Old Town School of Folk Music down in the basement in B1, the Harmonica Room in Chicago. People have been asking me about grooves, about specific grooves. This one we're gonna do is the ham bone, also called a clave, also called a bow diddley. These are just synonyms. They can be called anything. You can call it a bow diddley, you can call it a clave, you can call it whatever you want. Just know, this is our rhythm. Ba, ba, ba. I'm gonna do it all inhaling. Holes 1, 2, and 3. So if you listen to Bo Diddley, this is his signature. He played a lot of this groove. There's a lot of songs, Mona, Pretty Thing, a lot of Bo Diddley songs that have this groove. It can follow changes. It can go through a 1, 4, 5 chord change, or it can stay on the 1. Listen to Mona. This is a Spanish groove that basically came from Africa, traveled up into America. This is something that is very, very powerful. You want to be able to do this, and you want to be able to follow chord changes. Also play it all on the 1 chord. Get familiar with this groove. It is one of the most powerful ones you could play on the harmonica. Always holds 1, 2, and 3 for this groove. Whatever you play, we're always coming back to that. Because it's all inhaling, you got to do a lot of exhale pushing. Watch me. When you're going fast, it becomes very natural and quick. I also sometimes put in a mouth sound, a chicka or a hiccup. Why do I do this? Gives it a little of a snap, helps me keep the time, makes it a little cooler. I like mouth sounds. I think they're very, very cool. So remember, work on this both with the 1 chord form and with the changes. Listen to Bo Diddley. Feel this clave beat. It can be very fast. It can be sort of slowish. Just remember, when you change the tempo of a groove to extreme levels, sometimes the groove will change. Very important you understand that. So if you have any questions on this, my email, davidcahalan@gmail.com, my website, davidcahalan.com. Go to faliscostore.com for all your study material needs to download songs, study songs, intermediate and advanced material. Also check out spa.com, spa.org, spastore.org. The website is under development. Think about becoming a member because we need you. We're a non-for-profit and we need members, and it's very important. It helps us get harmonicas into people's hands. So, signing off from the Old Town School. Let me know if you need anything from me. Peace.